Hey you guys, this is Epic Kid and I am doing my blog, My City, and this is going to be about different places around Nashville, Tennessee, different kind of foods we're going to explore. The first thing we're going to do is the hot chicken challenge to see who can take the hottest chicken and who has the hottest chicken in Nashville, so stay tuned. Thank you. Hey you guys, we're going to do the hot chicken challenge. The first one is coming from Pepperfire Hot Chicken, and theirs is called the Double X. It's supposed to be the hottest chicken that they have on the menu, so we're going to see if we can eat this whole chicken within 8 minutes. This is what it looks like here, the breast. And you guys, hopefully we won't die from this. So here we go. All ready? Yeah. Okay, let's start.
So right here, I found myself trying to eat the chicken kind of fast because I was really trying to get it done way before 8 minutes here. The chicken itself is hot to the touch here. Trying to break it open and eat the breast with just nothing but steam coming out. So you find yourself starting to sweat more because it was hot, but also hot to the touch. See me shaking my hands trying to eat it here. My brother, he's just eating the chicken like it ain't nothing. And my cousin, he's like, oh yeah, it's hot to the touch. So I finally pulled the fork out. I don't even know why it took so long for me to get the fork out.
It's hot to the touch. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
My brother, he's looking very determined. Really trying to beat everybody here. Very competitive family here.
Can I eat this pickle as well? Yeah.
Whoa.
My brother, he starts making these faces and he's really trying to concentrate because he starts to sweat intensely. You're going to see his face start shining in a second here. I'm thinking to myself, man, what did I get myself into? This chicken hot to the touch. We should have just let it cool down before we started to eat. Got my mouth open trying to blow it and eat at the same time.
6 minutes. It's hot. We should let it cool down.
I can't grab it.
My nose starts stopping up. I'm steadily trying to blow it. Hair keeps getting in the way. Should have done like my cousin had it up in a ponytail. So I'm taking another deep breath. Now as you can see, my brother's face is glistening now. I don't even know why I'm talking to y'all with my mouth full of chicken. Still trying to blow the air out. And my auntie and my mom's laughing at us in the background. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but they just think it's really funny us suffering this agonizing heat.
Oh, this is 4 minutes going on. Oh, okay. Cool.
My brother over there really dying too. His face is just over there sweating. He was like, I'm trying to get this chicken done as soon as possible. Like, he's really just checking, make sure all the meat is gone. I'm looking at the chicken like, I got anything else on this that I can eat? I don't even know how I put it so far up in the air. But that was a really nice day there. We really didn't say too much of anything. I guess everybody was just really concentrating on finishing eating the chicken within 8 minutes. Came in over there looking at us like it ain't over yet. Y'all still eating. I guess I'm gonna continue to eat too. My brother can't take no more. He's just really just like, dang man, I'm just really, really, really done. Put my fork down just to make sure there wasn't any other meat that I had to eat. My brother sweat everywhere. But he made sure he cleaned that chicken to the bone. Had a bone right there. Had to pull it back out.
Done, you guys. 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Cayman can't take the heat anymore. He's starting to get red in his face, his veins popping out his head.
You got about 2 minutes.
What's wrong? Don't cry, son.
He's contemplating on life or death right now. Like, do I need to continue to eat this or can I just give up?
I got a hose pipe out there too.
He's just really thinking about life right now. He's trying to figure out if he's gonna eat it or not.
I quit.
You quit? Alright, huh? Look at it. Get out. Can't even get out. What are you gonna do it, bud?
Miko's just picking at the food, taking little bitty pieces at a time. You know, really over there just chilling. But he was the only one that did not turn red, not sweating. Nose didn't get stopped up or running or nothing.
I'm not gonna win.
Thank you, Mark.
It's okay. Just keep going.
20 seconds.
I'm not gonna finish, but I'm not gonna finish.
10.
That's all right.
I give this chicken a 6 out of 10 for its hot intensity. Other than that, the spices could have been more flavorful. Guys, if you enjoyed the video and liked the video, please like it. Please share it.
It was pretty hot.
Any other challenges that you could think of that I could possibly blog about, please put it in the comment section or send me a message.
They have nice chicken.
And we'll be back in touch. Remember, my city, Nashville, Tennessee. ICD blog. Stay tuned.